Okay, so we've seen the components that are in the MagnaCleanse unit. Now let's assemble them to the unit itself. Okay, so we have here our isolation valve and our tri-camp facility. Let's just take the cap off first. Now, this is a key part here. We have a small EPDM seal. Make sure the seal goes in to your lever arm valve. Push firmly against the seating. With your male connector, you may need to put a bit of PTFE sealant tape on there. You can then screw that in until it is firm. Do not over tighten. Okay? We're now ready to place that onto our chambers. Make sure, obviously, on the end here you have your hose. Place your Jubilee clip on your hose. And with our lever arm valve now, push the hose home firmly. Make sure that the hose comes right up to the front here. Okay? A finger's depth away, place your Jubilee clip. With a screwdriver, the right size, or a socket, let's make sure we tighten this up firmly. So with your red cap, place that onto the end of the Jubilee clip there, all nice and sealed and no edges. Now, the hose may not always go on as easy as it has on this particular case. If not, get some hot water, place your hose into it gently. Be careful, please. Just give it a chance to soften up and you will then find that will go on nice and easy. Let's connect our hose to our MagnaCleanse unit. Now I've got a little tip for you. You'll probably find it easier when you connect your hoses to just put the unit on its back so you can place the hoses directly down onto the MagnaCleanse unit. On this occasion I'm going to keep them upright though, just so you can see how the tri-clamp goes round, okay? So let's bring the hose through. Make sure your blue seal is fitted securely round the flange of the MagnaCleanse. With our tri-clamp, make sure it is wide open. Brace the valve against the washer. And with our tri-clamp, we just drop over, nice and easy. Swivel underneath and tighten. Okay? Very straightforward to do. With your other hose, you do exactly the same. You need to cut your drain-off facility in. Don't forget that, by the way, on your return hose coming back. You will need to cut that in about 300 mil away at the end here. Make sure you do that because remember, this is a really important component of the MagnaCleanse. We've got our connection to the MagnaCleanse on here now. Let's make sure we get the hose connected at the other end. Let's grab our cam lock and another Jubilee clip, okay? Place the Jubilee clip onto the hose and firmly push home. Make sure the hose has gone right up to the cam lock. Put your Jubilee clip round the edge here, a finger's depth away again. Remember we talked about that? So we've got the MagnaCleanse connected now, so we're now ready to connect it to our filter connection. Very easy, very straightforward to do. If you need any more information, obviously go to ADEY.com. Otherwise, keep in touch and see you soon. Thanks for watching.